Neil Armstrong, pioneering the final frontier. Introduction. Neil Alden Armstrong, a name forever etched in history, transcended the boundaries of Earth to become the first human to set foot on the Moon. His journey from a small-town boy in Ohio to the commander of Apollo 11, the mission that would change the course of humanity's exploration of space, is a remarkable story of determination, courage, and scientific pursuit. This biography delves into the life of Neil Armstrong, a man whose small step echoed across the cosmos. Early life and childhood. Neil Armstrong's story begins on August 5, 1930, in Wapakoneta, Ohio. He was born into a loving family, with his father, Stephen Armstrong, working as an auditor for the Ohio state government, and his mother, Viola Armstrong, staying at home to raise him and his younger sister, June. Growing up during the Great Depression, young Neil's life was marked by modesty and perseverance. Armstrong's curiosity about the world around him became apparent at an early age. He displayed a deep interest in aviation, which was sparked by a visit to the Cleveland Air Races with his father when he was just 2 years old. This experience ignited a passion for flight that would shape his destiny. Education and military service. Armstrong's journey toward the stars began with his education. He attended Bloom High School in Wapakoneta, where his dedication to his studies stood out. His high school years also saw the tragic loss of his beloved sister June to a cerebral hemorrhage, a profound event that would shape his life and character. After graduating from high school in 1947, Armstrong enrolled at Purdue University to study aeronautical engineering. He pursued his studies with diligence and dedication, and his education eventually led him to a career as a naval aviator. In 1949, he was called to serve in the Korean War, flying 78 combat missions and earning 3 air medals for his bravery. Armstrong's military service not only honed his flying skills but also instilled in him the discipline and composure that would be crucial for his future endeavors in space exploration. Becoming an astronaut. After completing his service in the Korean War, Armstrong continued his education at Purdue and obtained his Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering in 1955. This was a pivotal moment that set the stage for his future as an astronaut. In 1955, Armstrong joined the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, the predecessor of NASA, as a civilian research pilot. His work there helped advance aviation technology and solidified his reputation as a talented and innovative pilot. His exceptional performance caught the attention of the emerging NASA, and in 1962, he was selected as an astronaut candidate, embarking on a journey that would take him to the stars. Gemini Program. The Gemini Program, a bridge between the Mercury and Apollo programs, aimed to prepare astronauts for the challenges of space travel and moon landings. Armstrong's participation in the Gemini program marked a crucial phase of his career. During this time, Armstrong demonstrated his extraordinary piloting skills and ability to remain cool under pressure. He served as the command pilot for Gemini 8, which achieved the first successful docking of 2 spacecraft in orbit. However, the mission faced life-threatening challenges when a stuck thruster caused the spacecraft to spin uncontrollably. Armstrong's quick thinking and remarkable piloting skills saved the mission and its crew. These experiences in the Gemini program further solidified Armstrong's reputation as a capable astronaut and contributed to his selection as the commander of the historic Apollo 11 mission. Apollo Program. The Apollo program was the culmination of NASA's efforts to land a human on the Moon and return them safely to Earth. Neil Armstrong's role in this program would make him an immortal figure in human history. Armstrong was chosen as the commander of Apollo 11, the mission that would attempt the first moon landing. On July 16, 1969, the Apollo 11 spacecraft was launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida, carrying Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Their journey to the moon was a monumental achievement of human engineering and determination. The lunar module, named Eagle, separated from the command module, and Armstrong and Aldrin descended to the lunar surface. On July 20, 1969, with the world watching in awe, Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon's surface and uttered the now famous words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Armstrong's historic lunar walk marked the culmination of years of preparation, training, and technological innovation. It was a moment that inspired the world and solidified Armstrong's legacy as a pioneer of human exploration. Life after the moon landing. The successful Apollo 11 mission transformed Neil Armstrong into an international icon. However, he remained grounded and continued to contribute to the fields of aerospace and education. After leaving NASA in 1971, Armstrong held various academic and professional positions. Armstrong's passion for aviation and space exploration persisted throughout his life. He served on the Rogers Commission, investigating the Space Shuttle Challenger disaster in 1986. His dedication to safety in space exploration remained unwavering. Personal life and legacy. Neil Armstrong's personal life was marked by humility and a desire for privacy. He married Janet Sheeran in 1956, and they had two sons, Eric and Mark. Tragically, their daughter, Karen, died of complications from a brain tumor at the age of 2, a heartbreaking loss that profoundly affected the family. Throughout his life, Armstrong received numerous awards and honors, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom and the Congressional Gold Medal. However, he remained humble and focused on the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of humanity through science and exploration. Neil Armstrong passed away on August 25, 2012, at the age of 82. His death marked the end of an era but not the end of his legacy. Armstrong's footsteps on the moon continue to inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. His journey from a small Ohio town to the moon's surface serves as a testament to the indomitable human spirit and the boundless possibilities of exploration. Conclusion. Neil Armstrong's life is a testament to the power of human curiosity and determination. From his early fascination with flight to his historic moonwalk, Armstrong's journey exemplifies the heights that can be reached when individuals dedicate themselves to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. His legacy lives on, inspiring us all to reach for the stars and continue exploring the final frontier. Neil Armstrong's small step was, in reality, a giant leap for all of humanity.